Welcome to RHCSA.GURU. In this video, we are going to explore manage local users and groups. This lab will guide you through the basics of managing local users and groups in Linux. So let's get started by launching the exercise. First, open the terminal in VS Code by clicking the hamburger icon, selecting Terminal, and then New Terminal. Now create a new user by running the user_add command followed by the username. Verify the creation of user nick by checking the /etc/password file. The new user will appear at the end of the list. Use the cat /etc/password command to confirm. Another way to verify user creation is by using the ID command followed by the username. This displays the user ID and group ID for nick. The /etc/shadow file stores user passwords. For a newly created user, the password is not set, indicated by exclamation. Use the cat command to view this for the user nick. Now set a password for the user using the password command followed by the username. Enter the new password for nick when prompted. Verify the password creation for user nick using the command cat /etc/shadow grep nick. This will display the entry for nick, showing the encrypted password and additional fields such as the last password change date, minimum and maximum password age, and account expiration details. Modify the password age for user nick using the chage command. Set the minimum password age to 10 days, maximum to 30 days, warning period to 5 days, and inactivity period to 10 days, leaving other fields unchanged. Use the command chh-m10-m30-w5-i10 nick. Verify the password age settings for nick using the chage command with the L option. This displays details like minimum, maximum, and warning periods. You can delete the user nick by running the command userdel rnick, where r ensures the user's home directory and mail spool are also removed. Verify the deletion of user nick by checking the /etc/password file. If the user is removed, nick will not appear in the list. Use cat /etc/password to confirm. Create a user group using the group_add command followed by the group name. Groups help manage user permissions. Use group_add developers command to create a group named developers. Check the /etc/group file to confirm the group developers is created. It will show the group name, an X for no password, the group ID, and currently no users. To add a user to a group, use command usermod ag followed by the group name and username. For example, usermod ag developers nick adds nick to the developers group. Ensure nick is recreated using user_add nick if deleted earlier. Verify if Nick is added to the developers group by checking /etc/group. You'll see Nick listed under developers. You can remove Nick from the developers group using pasted dnick developers. The D option deletes the user from the group, and pasted is used for managing group passwords. Verify removal of Nick from the developers group by checking /etc/group. The group will no longer list Nick as a member. You can also delete the developers group using the command group del developers. Confirm the developers group deletion by checking the /etc/group file. The group developers should no longer be listed. Now create two groups, developers and testers, and add the user Nick to the developers group. Use group add developers, group add testers, and user mod AG developers Nick. Ensure the user Nick is recreated with user add Nick if needed. Now change the primary group of the user Nick to testers using command user mod g testers Nick. This sets testers as the main group for the user. Verify the group change for the user Nick using the id Nick command. It will display testers as the primary group for the user. Create a user John with specific parameters like home directory, shell, and group using command user add gtesters s/bin/bash c John Doe m d/home/John John. Verify the creation of user John and its parameters by using cat/etc/password. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the exercise. Don't forget to mark the lab as complete to finalize your progress.